Another year of mercies, of faithfulness and grace. Another year of gladness, enlightened by thy face. Another year of progress, another year of praise, another year of proving thy presence all the days. Another year of service, of witness for thy love. Another year of training for holier walk above. Another year is drawing, dear Master, let it be on earth or as